Rigby, stop messing around. We have to go help Muscle Man before he actually loses it. Benson says he's trapped and screaming like a bitch.
Bro, I'm mid-match. If I lose this, I'm gonna lose my damn rank. Benson can suck a fat one.
Yo, what the actual fuck, Mordecai?
Where the hell are my goddamn keys? Everything in this house is a fucking landfill.
Found him. Now move your ass before Benson turns us into a pair of decorative center seats.
I'm driving. Give me the fucking keys.
You losers have 5 fucking minutes to get there.
Shut the hell up, Benson. We're going. Holy shit. Watch the road, you cocksucker. You're gonna flip the goddamn cart.
We don't have time. If this fat fucking bitch dies, we're next. Guys, don't go in there. He's lost his goddamn mind. It's a total crash out.
We're gonna save that fat son of a bitch whether he likes it or not.
No, this can't be happening. My pimento loaf, my beautiful sandwich. All this over a fucking sandwich? Bro, quit your bitching. It's just a goddamn sandwich.
I know it was you, Rigby. I can smell the processed meat on your breath. Get off me, you fat hog.
Mordecai, do something.
Nah, you definitely ate it. I saw you licking the mayo off your fingers earlier.